Another Leetcode problem, 138, copy list with random pointer. So I'm not going to explain line by line of the problem, but the problem is just a deep copy. So we're gonna close a linked list, but it's gonna be a deep copy. So we also have a random pointer. We not only have the value and the next, but also we have this random pointer, and that's gonna be the difficult of the problem. Yeah, so for example, we have this structure, and after close, it's going to be exactly the same. So how we gonna solve this problem? Yeah, so in Python, we can just return a deep copy. Yeah, we can just use a deep copy to get the result. It is also okay. But we need to write this deep copy. Yeah, it is from the copy.deepcopy. We can solve the problem. Yeah, as you can see, it works, but now we need to write this deep copy. Yeah, it means we need to copy everything. So yeah, so we can solve it like this. First of all, we're gonna build a k-value structure to prepare all the nodes. So for example, the first node is 7. We're gonna prepare a dictionary. So this is inside of the dictionary, and we're gonna prepare, yeah, maybe another node, maybe 13. Yeah, I just use the 3 node. Yeah, and we're gonna have another node, maybe 11. Yeah. Now we're gonna find the value. So the value is just a new copy. Yeah. So the new copy would be another 7 node. This is gonna be a new node, and this 13 would also be a new node, and this 11 would also be a new node. So if we have all the k-value pairs, definitely we can find it. Even it is pointed to a noun, we can use a dictionary to check. If it is not inside, basically we can get a noun. Yeah. Now the problem is that the first step is that we can build a k-value structure like this. Yeah. So the second step, we just go through one by one. First of all, we're gonna check the head. So which one is the head? For example, the 7 is head. So if a 7 is the head, basically we can find this node. Yeah, because D with this value head, we can find a new node. It is 7, and then we're gonna use this 7 to connect. So for example, this 7 dot next connected to 13. So this means 7 dot next connected to a new node, to this 13. Yeah, and this 13 is easy to find. We can just use this k because we have the k, and we can use the k to find the value. Yeah. And also, this 7th random gonna pointed to 1. So for example, if there is a 1, maybe it is pointed to 11. It doesn't matter. Maybe this is 7 dot random, yeah, maybe pointed to 11. If it pointed to 11, yeah, we can use the k of 11 to find the value pointed to this node. Yeah, and for all of the node, we're gonna use this way to make a connection. So after that, we just need to return the head. Yeah, we cannot return the head directly, but we can return the D head because we used a hash table. We can return this D head to find the final value. Yeah. So let's just start to build the dictionary. So we're gonna use this kind of a dictionary, and we're gonna use a p pointer pointed to head, and then we're gonna use one for loop, and this for loop is used to build the dictionary. We just need to find the k-value pairs, and k is the old node, and the value is the closed new node. Yeah. So while p dp should equal to a new node, so it's gonna be a node. It's gonna be the p dot value. Yeah, and p should equal to b dot next. So this is the first step. Yeah, we've already built a k-value pairs structure. Now we're gonna close it, and we're gonna connect it. Yeah, so we're gonna still use this p pointer pointed to the head. So while p, yeah, so we can find this dp. dp is the new node. So new node, this node dot next. It will be connected to d.get. We have to use get because it can be a noun. If we didn't find it, it's going to be pointed to a noun. So it's going to be d.get dp dot next. Yeah, because basically we need to port it to p dot next. Yeah, and similarly, dp dot random. Yeah, because this is the new node. Yeah, this new node would be ported to d dot get, so it's gonna be dp dot random. Yeah, and then this p should equal to p dot next. Yeah, let's just go back to have a check. Yeah, so for example, this dp dot next. So for example, it is 7, and dp dot next, it means this is 7 dot next. It's gonna be ported to d dot get. Yeah. Yeah, it should not be like that. D dot get p dot next. Yeah, so for this d dot get p dot next, what is p dot next? So p dot next is 13. So it means d dot get p dot next. Yeah. So let me just delete this one because we don't need it. This is a duplicate. Yeah. So we need to get the value. We need to get the p dot next, and we need to get the p dot random. And after that, we can return the head. So if this head exists, else we're gonna return none. Yeah. So we're gonna return the a dictionary with this head because we need to return a new linked list, a closed linked list, not the old one. So it's gonna be d.head if the head exists. So otherwise we're gonna return a none. Now let me run it. As you can see, it works. Yeah. Now let me submit it to check. Yeah, as you can see, it works. I think there are a lot of cloud problems, copy or cloud problems. If it is a deep copy, basically we need to copy everything, and we can use a dictionary to prepare a key-value pair to solve such copy or cloud problem. And the time complexity is O(n). N is the number of the nodes. Thank you for watching. See you next time.